Damn, what time is it, bruh? 3 in the morning. Damn. Well, I don't feel like going home. Slap on this beat. Slap on this beat.
Simply come. Man, crew.
I heard you say to me, you wanna be my number one. Be my number one. So let's talk about it, sister. Now the game has just begun. So if you wanna be my number one, let me know your future plans.
Cut, man.
Little mama said she wanna put it down on me. She said her love is so sweet, it's like a delicacy. Yeah. She wanna treat me like a treasure and introduce me to her mother. She said she wanna be the one to rock me world. She gonna give it to me good, it's gonna make me toast, girl of mine. We do nothing to ever hurt her. To know this woman is a pleasure. So if you wanna be my number one, if you wanna be my number one, let me know your future plan. She wanna be the number one in a me eyes. She wanna be the number one in a me life. She never wanna hide it or to disguise it. And she be making sure that I realize it. She be the sexiest thing you'd ever seen. Exotic, erotic, hypnotic, sexy little thing. And she be turning heads when she enters the scene. She be always wanting to think